Welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and access TikTok data. So first thing you have to do is go up to your TikTok app and go to your profile. So while you're in profile, you click on these three horizontal lines and click on settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, you're going to click on account and you're going to see download your data right here. So you click on that and you wait for it to load up. So once it's loaded, you're going to actually request data. So you can actually select the file format you want right here, and you can see easy to read text, and you also have JSON, allows other service to import your files. So the next thing you have to do is you have to select the data you want to download. If you want all comments or direct messages, income, wallets, and the rest of that, you can just select all, right? Or if you just want your activity on TikTok, so I'm just going to cancel all of this and I'm going to click on request data. So once you click on request data, you're going to see download, and you can see requested on August 22. So when your file is ready for download, it will be available for 4 days. If you submit another request, your existing file will expire. So now I'm going to wait for the file to be sent to me. So let's wait, and I will tell you how long it actually took for them to send my download TikTok data.